This one's called Naxalites. Brothers and sisters of the soul, unite, we are one in the visible and strong. They may try to break us, but they may not underestimate us. They know our memories are longer. I said the past are sleeping villages. That's how they're picturing it, at least that's what they try to pretend. But check out our histories of reach and revolution, we are prophecy that we will rise again. That we will rise again. Again and again, into the land is ours. Again and again, until we have taken our power. Again and again, into the land is ours. Again and again.